best thing about leftovers is having food to eat in the morning when you don't need to cook. Now I'm just gonna heat this up. So I have just like a combination red onion, cucumber salad thing, some dal and some naan. So I'm just gonna heat this up. This is what I have for lunch now. Yeah, I just took, instead of putting it on a plate, I might as well put it on like a wooden platter to make it look really interesting. So here we go. Just heated this up, heat that up in the microwave, and that's still cold from the fridge. But yeah, yum 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 yum. While I'm eating, I'm gonna watch Zico's Bermuda Triangle. So yesterday I watched the teaser. Yeah, I thought it was the music video. It's such a, yeah, I always make that mistake. So, Bermuda Triangle. D. He's eating, I'm eating. What's up, I don't have candles. Oh, I could get some in my room.
Anybody 어부제 역할이 왜 넘바 메인 자리 세대를 뒤바꿔 대세가 돼요 하쿠나 마타타 나게
하쿠나 마타타
난 높이에 위협함을 알아 과로가 체질 안에 링거 투어네 휴가 반납이네 무공연명 위법 중 Paint a perfect picture 큰 건 나는 trusted
I want money. I want the money to go shopping. I like how it's Bermuda Triangle and there's triangles 3 points and then there's 3 people. That was on purpose. That was on purpose, I'm sure. I'm sorry guys if I didn't have like a whoa reaction. I'm a total Dean fangirl because after DBSK split, disbanded, my heart broke. K-pop was never the same for me. Hakuna Matata. Spread your wings. Yeah, when it comes to skill. Starting a fight is the goal of the review of interviews. Well, the thing is like starting a fight or having a scandal, there's like, haven't you heard there's no such thing as bad publicity? Oh my god. Publicity. Oh my god, why did it? Guys, I've been awake for a while, but my brain's not awake. But yeah, let's eat. Guys, I have a random cat just outside staring me up and down. It's judging me, guys. Hi. It's back again. What is with the cat? Does it like me or something? Someone explain to me why this cat keeps staring at me. Also like trying to figure out if I'm a bad person. It's sussing me out. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash my brushes. Getting my shoes, going to the shops finally with mom and dad. I actually have to put away all my shoes, it's just laying around. This is what happens before you go out. You're like, oh no, it doesn't match. Thank you. Good, thank you. I should get myself a camera bag, to be honest. So I'm looking for a tripod, guys. Interesting. What's a good tripod? I saw like the really flexible one. But I don't know if they will have it. So this is the one that I'm planning to get. I was looking for the Gorilla Pod that's flexible, but then it might be too long. So I'm gonna get this one. Let's see. Where are you get, Charlie? Where are we going? What about chicken?
I do consent more for you. That's it.
So we're just at the shops picking groceries up, and then my mom bumped into someone she knew when they had their business. So I was really little, so I don't remember, but it always happens. So yeah, bok choy. I'm looking for my dad. He just walked in here. I'm like, where is he? I'm like, where's dad? And I saw him with his grey t-shirt. Yeah, using the new tripod. It's actually a lot better. My hand is stuck. I mean, with the watch. Going to the aisles. Found him, guys. Found him. So good. Alright, then bok choy. Can you get broccoli? Can you get broccoli? It's 99 cents. Mom, corn is 79 cents each. Corn. You want it? Because you like eating corn.
Rất là biết con nó ăn thế nào đâu.
So then buy it and you can eat it now. Each.
Đồng chân ít.
It's $2 each.
Nè.
Mua đồng chín thôi.
Trái ẩn luôn. Được rồi, mua trái gì?
Okay, let's go. Này, quý chị Linh có coi video của con không ạ? Dạ. Yeah. We have solar, what do you call it? Solar panels. Oh my god, I can't even remember. So then it's good for summer, especially in like Western Australia. You don't need, you're using natural power. So we bought some mangoes. We're gonna put it at the altar just to pray. Time to put the shopping away.
Đi được rồi anh ơi.
Ở bên này mua thì lây quay không có lời ngon, bên kia cứ để chụp ai hoài.
Linh ơi, bây giờ ba phải đi bác sĩ Linh ơi.
Ủa là bị sao ba?
Đi mà xin thuốc uống mà.
I changed because I don't know. When I get home, I just take off my day clothes and my going out clothes, and just get into something comfortable to lounge around the house. My mom and dad. So my dad went to pick up my brother, and my mom went to the doctor's, and my brother are gonna meet my mom at the doctor's because they're getting like the injections because they're going on holiday. Well, I am stuck in Perth. Stuck. What's that? That's scary. More like I'm house sitting. Yeah. And I did go traveling this year, so my bank account. Okay, I'm not broke, but I don't want to spend more money, guys. Plus, I haven't. It's nice to stay back home and experience the summer. My dad, I offered to help my dad with peeling off this garlic and mincing it so he can make some kind of condiment or tonic. I have no idea. I actually do a lot of the cooking and cleaning, and I bake a lot as well. I used to make like custom cakes kind of thing. Okay, so when it gets to this stage, you just get the knife and press it, and then you peel it off. All good. It's easy. I had a bowl. I left the bowl there. Just wait 1 second. Let me get the bowl. I actually enjoy helping out in the kitchen or even cleaning. Cleaning is really therapeutic for me. I'll tell you something really funny. So in one of my makeup classes, we were doing like remedial camouflage. So that's like covering birthmarks, scars, tattoos, skin conditions or disorders that need to be camouflaged, or even like for example, you'd have a bride who'd have a tattoo and she'd want to cover it up for her wedding, just for photos and everything, that kind of thing. And when we're doing a practice, so you have to get an alcohol swabs, like just imagine like the little tiny packaged wet wipes that you'd get from fast food places. So I saw it because you need to disinfect the area. My heart just like skipped a beat when I saw the alcohol swab thing, and I was like, oh my gosh. I don't know, I really love getting injections and getting my blood withdrawn. I love going to the doctors. I love going to the hospital. I love going to the dentist. Like, it doesn't faze me. Like, people say, oh my god, I hate going to the dentist, it's so painful. I'm like, what pain? And like, I just usually, if you go to cool dentists, like a cool dentist, they usually have like a painting or something on the ceiling, and then you just lie there and someone cleans your teeth for you. Like, yeah, you pay them, but hey, good oral hygiene is really important, guys. Yeah, this week I seem to have a lot of stuff on. It's good. It makes it look like I have an interesting life. That I'm not lazing about at home all the time. Yeah, I should be... Tomorrow, I think my friend one of my close friends is coming. One of my close girlfriends is coming over, I think. We're just gonna chill at my house because the weather's getting warmer and I kind of don't want to go outside and spend money. I feel like you guys are gonna think that I'm stingy. It's not that. Like the parking thing, it's not like street parking. It can be, I don't know, $3 something, $4 something, depending where you go. It can be really expensive just for an hour, and depends on how long you're staying there. You're gonna need to load up that machine. You could easily spend like $10, $11, $15 on parking just on an outing. So I'm like, but then you know what? I could actually buy like a pretty decent meal for that amount of money, you know. So I'm like, why? But then I'm fortunate, my parents are happy to drop me off. Also, for my dad especially, it's like car like just urban, like city, like in the CBD or in the city, or car parks. That's where you often get into accidents and people scrape your car or they like hit your car. So my dad's like, I'd rather drop you off. So thank you, Daddy, for for being my, even though I have my license, for often dropping me off and being my chauffeur. I'm not someone who's easily freaked out, but I just don't like bugs. And creepy crawlies, like worms and snails. It's just that they're like oh, slimy, and or like caterpillars, or the spitfire caterpillars, man. Or do often prefer to move out of their family home and, you know, live on their own, be independent, financially independent. I'm financially independent to a degree, but for me, I prefer, or I choose to stay in my family home because, okay, one, yes, you save money, but two, my parents are on the mature side of the scale, and for me, growing up with mature parents, of course it was like different. So a lot of kids, they would have gone on lots of holidays, their parents would have been able to take them to heaps of places. My parents did take me to heaps of different places, but energy wise, as I became a teen, they were getting older too, so they didn't have that energy to expend, and they're always working really hard to provide for the family. And I feel that now that I'm in my 20s, yeah, I could live outside, you know, but you shouldn't forget that even though you're getting older, your parents are getting older too. And I know once I like have a family, you know, or I have a significant other, that person will be a huge part of my life as well. Once I have my own family or home, I won't always be able to come visit them whenever I want, you know, because I have my own errands to run, I have my in-laws or whatever it is. So I want to spend as much time as I can with them and treasure this time and memories while I still can, because it's only when it's too late that's when we realize that we should have appreciated them more. Parents always see their kids as their baby. Doesn't matter if they're 70 and you're 50, you're still their kid, you're their flesh and blood. So for my parents, even though I'm in my 20s, my mom's like still worries about me, of course. Like, it's kind of in their job description, like as a parent, you worry about your kids, you know, you want them to be fed. That's why they say like, oh, have you eaten? Oh, no, eat some more, and stuff like that. So I get it, because I'm happy while my mom's still here, my mom and dad are still here, they can still give me that attention, rather than, you know, one day they won't be here and I won't be able to ever receive that anymore. So I need to appreciate it while I can. I'll show you. Already pre-cut broccoli. I've prepared the broccoli already, so that when I'm ready to cook dinner, I can just quickly blanch it and then that's it. It's almost 10 p.m. and I actually had a nap after dinner, which isn't that great, but I don't know, I was really exhausted from today for some reason, probably because I was out all day yesterday, so I was recuperating. Some good news to end off my voice. I'm like, what's happening? Some good news to end off this vlog is my cousin Lucia, who you saw in vlog number 2, with her round belly, she gave birth. She had a C-section. Mom and baby are healthy. So yeah, another addition to our already large family, but the more the merrier. So this is DULCETbeauty, aka your best friend. Here is me and my mango, and please subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you again. Bye!